How you doing, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm David, and today we're gonna do a review and installation on these beautiful 9 inches CoLight auxiliary lights. Stay tuned. So the first box comes with the one of the fixtures, 9 inches, very solid casing, very impressive. And like I said, this is amber and white, and it comes with the hardware right here. Second box comes with the hardware, the harness, and obviously the other 9-inch light fixture. Let's get to the installation. And they will replace those 4.5 inches auxiliary lights that I have right here in the front. All right, let's get to it. And since I'm gonna be replacing my existing lights, I'm just gonna use the same wires because they're about the same. They have amber halo and the white beam. On those CoLight fixtures, you have the main plug, and then you have 2 additional wires coming out of the fixtures. One is a yellow wire and one is a white wire. The yellow wire goes for the amber halo and the white wire goes for the white halo. The main plug is just for the main beam. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Alright, so I've been running these lights for about 10 days now, and I want to share with you my thoughts about them. First thing you notice is the really clean premium design. Performance-wise, these are dual beam. They have low beam and high beam. I wired only the high beam because that works for me. The high beam is extremely powerful and throws the light very far, and it's perfect for open areas as well. This light also features a dual color DRL driving light. You can run them in white or amber. I connected only the amber, but you can definitely connect both of them. And when you turn them on, there's a smooth flowing animation for a few seconds before they settle into this solid glow. So far, these lights delivered. Strong output, clean beam pattern, solid construction, and a modern look. If you're looking for lights that perform well and look great on your rig, these CoLight auxiliary lights are definitely worth considering. And the price is a fraction of the big brand names out there.